So for these questions, we're multiplying two multiples of 100, and we can do this mentally. So for this first question, because we know that 9 times 3 is 27, we know that 900 times 300 is 270,000. That's because 9 times 3 is 27, but then if we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in our multiplication question, there will be 4 end zeros in our answer. So that's 270,000. Now 500 times 400. Well, we know that 5 times 4 is 20, and that helps us work out the answer to 500 times 400. That's 200,000, because 5 times 4 is 20, and notice this zero here we got by multiplying 5 by 4 to get 20, but then after the 20 we need 4 end zeros. That's because there are a total of 4 end zeros in our question. So 500 times 400 is 200,000. Now for 900 times 900, we know that 9 times 9 is 81, so 900 times 900 is 810,000. That's because 9 times 9 is 81, and then we need 4 end zeros because there are a total of 4 end zeros in the question. So 900 times 900 is 810,000.